Well, hello. Good evening, everybody. We are live. It is Tuesday night. We got Ralph live. Looks like we're popping up right now. What is going on here? We're starting to make some movements here. Finally, just as the stream's getting going, above the 200 EMA. Let's go back down to like a lower time frame here. See if we can't get maybe a pullback with an entry and a fair value gap. We do have this bearish fair value gap on the 3-minute. Let's see this 5 here too. Okay, we got this one here on the 5. So actually that's what we'll probably wait for now is we'll wait for an inversion on this guy here. Hey, Born Hunting in the house. Who's in the house? Born Hunting. And Dr. Hi, Matt. Hello. Hello. Got about 10 people popping into the stream already. Let's see how this session's going to go. Let's see if we can get a better session than the New York session. I mean, we had the initial sell-off, and then we kind of, after, I was pretty much online for this chop here. So obviously this ended up being pretty nice towards the end of the session there. But I think I got off the stream somewhere around here. Oh, it was in this area where I ended the stream, I think. Yeah, I remember this big candle down, and then we had these indecision candles. So we do have this fair value gap here that was left from this candle at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is the sell? I'm a little unsure at the moment. I'm still kind of formulating my plan here, so we'll try to figure out what we can see here. I mean, seems like the bulls are stepping in here. We have a little bit of increasing volume here. Although we had a pretty big sell-off candle here. That was a 5 p.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. But this last candle here was a pretty high volume candle, this one that pushed up. So kind of what I'd be looking for now, I guess, is since we have this bearish fair value gap up here, what we can do is wait for an inversion on that guy, a closure above it, then look for a retest into it, and then potentially take a trade higher here. Something like this would probably be pretty decent. Maybe like a 40-point TP with a, looks like we need a bit bigger of a stop, 50-point stop. Something like that. We can probably do 45 stop. 45 TP. Yeah, that could work. That could work. Sort of targeting this VWAP here. We do have this point of control up above 29,762 from the volume profile. ES is looking not quite as good as NQ at the moment. It's kind of going sideways. Dow is heading down. Let's take a quick look at oil and gold. MGC gold is super bullish in Asia session here. Opened up sort of down near 4,430, and now we're all the way up at 4,460. So a 30-point move up, which is pretty huge. Hey, Jabnap. No, I'm still flat right now. I'm just I'm considering a long after we get a candle closure above the 700s here. So if we can get a candle closure above 700, then retest of that area back to the 700s, then I'll think about taking a long to sort of target, you know, 740s area. Not financial advice. Hey, no problem. Where's the usual suspects here? The elevated life. How's it hanging? It's hanging all right. It's hanging. You know, it's still hanging, which is a good thing. No. Hey, Randy Trades Futures. How you doing? Long time no see. Hopefully you're doing good. How's life out in Chilliwack? It hit the FVG. Why don't you sell? You know, we're pretty bullish at the moment. So I'm thinking I want to see it. I want to see if it's going to get a closure above it, and then I'll look for some more longs. Like we got a little bit of decent volume here with the break higher. We're above the VWAP, right? So that's typically telling me that I want to take longs for now. We kind of been delivering out of these bullish fair value gaps down here from the end of the session there. Kind of holding relatively strong in my opinion. So oh, Florida, nice. Florida, that would be so amazing actually. Loves me some Florida. I really want to go scuba diving down there and do some of their caves. And they have a lot of wreck diving in the ocean out there. Some like old World War planes and stuff. Randall Paul in the house. How are you doing? Good morning, sir. Who's the gentleman down there? Are you talking about Mr. Ralph? The Sports Connect? Are you talking about Mr. Ralph there? That's Ralph. Ralph's just hanging out, you know. He likes to hang out with us on stream, so. He's like, what's going on? Just got in. Where are you talking about diving? Oh, I was talking about diving. So Randy Trades was traveling down to Florida, and I was saying it would be amazing to go diving down there because there's like Ginny Springs, which is a bunch of cave systems down there, and then there's also, from my understanding, there's a bunch of like shipwrecks and World War planes that you can go diving on the coast of Florida there. So yeah. So just be aware, guys. I was just taking a look at the calendar, and we do have. Let me just double check here, make sure I'm correct on the timeline here. But yeah, so we have inflation, PPI, and retail coming up the rest of the week, right? So it kind of explains why today's price action was pretty choppy for the most part. We did get a pretty decent push down later in the afternoon, but yeah, so we have, I guess it's core inflation, CPI, we have PPI, and then retail sales, Michigan consumer sentiment. So just be careful here. This price, just keeping the size down. This price action could be a little bit tricky to trade here. So just taking a look at oil. Oil's been going up quite a bit also. So pretty bullish day here on oil. Sort of like sold off pre-market before today, and then today was pretty bullish, and we're just continuing higher here. We're up at $84 a barrel. So Hey, Clee, good morning or good evening. How are you? Oh my God, what am I saying here? Getting all the mornings and the evenings all confused. You're a diver? Nice. Fall day. So I'm actually a PADI instructor. I'm also a technical diver and rec diver, and you know, a whole bunch of different certs. So I've probably dove about, you know, a little around 400 dives in my diving career, or whatever you want to call it. Lifetime dives. Mostly all in Vancouver. They're all cold water dives. I wear a dry suit, and yeah, you know, it's cold water diving. You know, it's cold water and it's hard to see in Vancouver. So gold's on the move. Yeah, gold's been looking pretty bullish. Oil's looking pretty bullish. I don't know. I don't trust gold, guys. You know, like for me, you know, I'm probably gonna try to go long here or something. And then it's just that. Then it's gonna pull back like 10-20 points and blow my account. So I've learned from trading gold. I usually don't. I stay away from it now. So I don't even have it on my charts at all. Gold's burned you before to stop loss, sweetheart? Yeah, I know, right? Is it a little loud? Okay, sure. You're a fair weather driver? Your husband is an advanced diver, but dove some pretty amazing spots? Nice. Yeah, unfortunately, being in Vancouver area, it's it's just cold. Like even in the summer, it's actually kind of sucks because summertime is actually the worst time to dive around here. You'd think it would be nicer, but so all the plankton and algae and everything, they all bloom in the summer, so the visibility becomes very horrible in the summer. And then not only that, because it's cold in the ocean, we still have to wear dry suits. So imagine getting into a dry suit, which is like a garbage bag, you know, slapping on your tanks and your 35-pound weight belt, and you're going to go hit the water. But meanwhile, you're just sweating trying to get to the water because it's so hot out, right? But you need the dry suit still to go diving in the cold water. So it's not the best. Actually, some of my most favorite dives are actually when I was diving on like New Year's Day. There's like snow on the ground. It's super cold. The water is spectacularly clear. And you know, the fish, they don't know. It's still cold for them regardless. So, but if you ever get the chance, I don't know if you have learned how to dive with a dry suit, but if you ever considering going diving in cold water, check out Port Hardy. Port Hardy is amazing. It's on the I guess it would be the northern point of Vancouver Island, and there's a whole, it's kind of like all the ocean flows around it, so all the lots of food for all the plant life and everything. So if you can imagine diving along a wall and there's not even a spot where there isn't life, there's so much life that you can't even find a blank spot on the wall without life. We got giant octopus, we got wolf eels, lots of like large animals that are awesome to see. So even MGC can lose money fast. Yeah, exactly. Totally. I never trade actually GC. I've only traded MGC, and it just blows my accounts like so bad. Let's see 30K on NQ this week. Yeah, I mean, we'll have to see how CPI turns out, right, Randy? Maybe after we see CPI, it'll give us the momentum and the moves that we need to head back up to 30K. We've been kind of in I would say a pretty large consolidation zone lately. Like We popped up, we came all the way back down, found support at this trend line here, and then back up to this 1 hour bearish fair value gap up here, which has been holding for quite a long time. And then we're heading back down. So pretty choppy in this range. They're kind of like accumulating, long-term accumulation before they distribute later. So we'll have to see. I think that this guy might have been, I think this one was inverted and then, so it was a bullish fair value gap and then we inverted it and then we closed above. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to get rid of this one. This one no longer doesn't need to be there anymore. But this 4 hour bullish fair value gap is still a valid level. Let's see, where's our next 4 hour above this guy? We got this guy up here. Is that a 1 hour though? That's a 1 hour. Okay. And we're currently in a 1 hour bearish fair value gap actually. So, so I'm actually not even convinced about the long on this 5 minute inverted fair value gap, to be honest. So I'm not even gonna take this trade at the moment. I'm gonna have to see something else happening here. So we popped up to the 200 EMA on the 5 minute chart, a couple wicks there, and then another little push up here. I don't know. I still think maybe we can deliver off of this if we get an inversion on this fair value gap. So, hey, Wilson is gold. How are you doing? Ralph says hi. You were looking for an NQ long, but went out for a run and came back, and it was too late. Oh yeah. Yeah, this would have been a nice area down here, hey, for a long at the 640s. CPI? Oh, well, be careful. You know, I don't know. I don't really recommend. I mean, if you are willing to just like blow some money on some evals, good luck. But I wouldn't recommend it, right? I don't know. I trade my evals kind of like as if I'm trading a normal account to try to like have a higher chance of passing it. I mean, we could just YOLO a couple here and there, but it's kind of like, I don't know. I don't like to do that. I was looking for, let's see here. Good trades, guys. All right, Born Hunting. See ya. Angia, good morning. Good morning. Look, you're just putting a green smiley face. She's like, yeah, I'm gonna gamble those ones. You'll be smart? Okay. I wish you luck on it then. Good luck, good luck. I mean, I hope you pass them. You're short at 680. Oh. You were trying to play the range, I guess, here, hey? CPI is pre-market. I start trading at 9:30 a.m. open. Ah. So you're going to be trading it pre-market then, stop loss, sweetheart? Wow, look at gold, hey guys? Gold is just ripping though. 460 to 73 already in like the last 15 minutes here. I got to turn it off though. I don't want to get induced into trying to take a gold trade. Because as soon as I go long, it's going to turn around on me. Guaranteed. That's just my luck on the gold. It's a face ripper. Yeah, price action is definitely slow. We might get this inversion here. I'll think about taking this trade anyways. Let's see. I'm not going to take it in one of my better funded accounts though.
First light on the second screen. Peanut blinking red and green.
What about this guy actually? 31 points. This could possibly work. So Randy Trades, wife's birthday in 3 weeks, was talking about buying her some shares of SpaceX. Do women appreciate shares of stocks? Probably not. Probably not. I could be wrong, but probably not. Oh, we did not invert it there. It closed inside the gap at the last second there. They were trying to pop it up there. I mean, she might not appreciate it now, but like later on, if it's worth 5 times the money, then she'd probably appreciate it. So why don't you buy? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, maybe why don't you just like buy her something else instead, and then, you know, just sort of add in some shares. Then it's not that bad. Yeah. She could sell the shares and buy something she appreciates more. Or what you do is just buy her a normal gift and then buy her some shares, but don't give them to her yet. Just wait till they get larger, and then, you know, like write it down that you bought it at a certain date, like make a card or something. And then as they get into more money, then you give her the card and say, look, I got you shares, here you go. Ryan, you finally got home. You entered shorts at Globex Open and then had to leave. All reds. Oh yeah. I've tried taking some trades, Ryan, when I'm like not at the desk, and it never seems to turn out good. Clee says just what a woman wants. She hates the market because I pay more attention to the market than to her. Oh damn. Uh-oh. That's a losing strategy, bro. No. Clee would like some SpaceX shares though, I bet. But I don't think she's your she's maybe not your typical type of woman. Yeah, I see some like-minded people are also shorting it though. So it's okay then. Okay, yeah. It's been sort of working for me for a few weeks. Amin opened my eyes a little bit, and I've been green every day for Asia. And today isn't over. Okay, nice. Good for you. I'll keep it up. Honey, I present you with a brand new Mercedes bought with shares from SpaceX. Yeah, that'd be nice. In my opinion, unless you're making very big bucks, it's not worth ignoring a woman. Even then. Smart man. FN Trade, smart man. Yeah, ignoring your woman is not a winning situation, that's for sure. It's a no-win situation right there. Wow, guys, Dow Jones just like gapped up pretty crazily, actually. I don't like to be ignored either. Haha. Look at this little gap up that YM just did here. It just shows how thin the volume is right now, right? So kind of like playing around up here. This one, look at this, gap down to there, opened up there, went up and came back down. So there's a gap there, and then we're kind of like had normal price action, sort of normal, and then look at it, closes here and reopens up there. So it closed at 882 and reopened at 886. I mean, it's not a whole lot, only 4 points, but it's still, it's like pretty crazy. Sure, I'd love a Mercedes, Clee. I would love one. That'd be amazing. How could I say no? Jonathan Josu, gold is trending up. I know, I saw that earlier, Jonathan. I've been trying to stay away from it though, because I just I don't want to get my face ripped off, man. I just don't. I've had too many tough trading sessions with gold, so I just stopped trading it altogether. Just not worth the accounts. Because see, this is exactly what would have happened to me. I would have been like, oh, let's go long. I would have been long maybe up here at 72, whatever, and then it just boom goes down. And now it's gonna go all the way back here, and it'd be like, okay, you can have mine. I'm thinking about getting a new one. I wonder how much it costs to ship it to Canada. Don't worry, I'll take care of the shipping costs. That present is more than good enough. If I'll take care of the border and the shipping costs. Oh, Clee, you're funny. Thank you, though. It's a funny gesture. Damn. This goal, okay, well, it's bouncing back up a little bit here. Maybe it's gonna go higher, but you know, like I said, I can't trade it, guys. I can't trade that. Oh, so we did get a candle closure here. We did get a candle closure above the fair value gap, so it's now an inverted fair value gap. So I can potentially think about taking a long on a pullback here. Which account do I want to trade? Maybe I'll do this Blue Sky Propel account. Risk a couple hundred on this guy. So 29,696. 29,696. And let's I gotta log out of this account and log into Blue Sky. Am I a residential real estate agent or commercial? I used to be an agent, but I didn't like it. I do residential, but I have done a couple commercial deals. So, but I would say, you know, I'm more in the residential side. And the market's not very good right now to be a real estate agent, to be honest. In Canada, anyways. We got a ton of sellers. The buyers are kind of reluctant to buy because of interest rates and property prices. Buyers are just looking for a steal deal. And sellers are kind of trapped in with having, you know, pretty large mortgages. So it would be like taking a pretty big hit on them. So it's a seller's market there too. Yeah. Okay. We have quite a bit of a bubble right now in Vancouver and Toronto in Canada. So it's definitely a challenge. I recently went out about a couple weeks ago and I door knocked on almost 200 houses. Door knocked and dropped off flyers to try to find some more clients, and haven't got anything from it yet, so we'll see. Yeah, there's more real estate agents and properties for sure. Find me investment property for 500K, bro. Really? I mean, I could definitely look for you if you're serious. Shoot me a message on Discord and give me your email, and I'll send you. I can hook you up with some opportunities. Carney will fix it all. Yeah, I'll believe that when I see it there. The elevated life, the The elite banker is supposed to fix Canada, right? You wouldn't mind getting a vacation in Toronto, place in Toronto someday? Wouldn't you rather go to Vancouver though? I feel like Vancouver is better than Toronto, Clee. Really, honestly. You bought your house for 1.7 mil 3 years ago. If I sold it today, I wouldn't even get 1.5. I know, right? I know. And that's a sad truth about a lot of properties in the Vancouver and Toronto area, is you just cannot get you cannot get the value out of what you paid for at the moment. Let's hope that in, you know, seven within the next 5 to 7 years, market might turn around and get back up there, but pretty hard. Hey, Plum Trader, how you doing? Yeah, Vancouver's weather is much better. I mean, we do have like stretches of like cloudy, rainy season, but we have like very mild winters, right? I mean, like, we're lucky if we get a couple snow days. That's how mild the winter is over here. So whereas East Coast is like, you can get like, you know, huge piles of snow, and you're gonna get like minus very cold winters. But, you know, I don't have a lot of experience with Toronto, so I can't really say anything bad or anything about Toronto, really, other than I think that Vancouver's a little bit better. Hey, VJ with crypto. How you doing, VJ? Good evening. Oh, I almost got an entry there. You messaged me an email on Discord. Nice. What are you thinking, Randy? Are you looking for like a single family home, or are you looking for like an apartment? Because I mean, if you're considering an apartment for an investment, like a rental investment kind of situation, some Abbotsford apartments are pretty reasonably priced. Rental property that can increase in price over the next 5 years. Nice. Yeah. Well, there's lots of good opportunities with pre-sales, because there's a bunch of pre-sales that people are sort of underwater in. So you can probably get those at a good deal and sort of capitalize on that. So 2 places is enough for you right now? Someday? All right, there. We got 2 micros in on this trade here. Let's see if this is going to play out here. If we do get another 5-minute candle closure below this 29,693, I will be looking to exit this trade like usual. But we'll see. Let's hopefully we just like find some support here and deliver higher off of this inverted fair value gap here. So. You message? I don't see your message though, Randy. San Francisco, Chicago, Manhattan, Miami, Waikiki, Los Angeles. Pick one and why? Like as if we're gonna move there or something. Satawa Tai, hey, What's up? Peace. Yeah, Randy, I don't see a direct message or a message. Maybe it's a message request here. I hope you didn't message a spammer that with a fake name. Facile Crypto, hey, how are you doing? Stop by for a high and a like. Trade well. 5 a.m. Oh, you're getting up early again. Hey, Kyle. We've been missing you around here, bro. That's too bad. Well, you know, life takes priority, though. Good to see you. Thanks for coming in. Saying hi. Jill, hi. How you doing? Kind of almost want to add to this trade up here, actually. It's starting to looking like it might be okay here. Let's see if we can't get some more contracts. Rearish, 440 joules. Unk alert. Hey, thank you for the jewels. Appreciate that. Look at this guy throwing around jewels like there's no tomorrow. Thank you for that. You rock. You okay, Ralph? What are you doing there, Ralph? Huh? Ralph just had dinner, so Butcher. Oh, see. Was that one too many twos? Because I think it's just Butcher 2022. So if there's one too many twos, that's probably a scammer. It should be Butcher 2022 2022. Oh, I hate those scammers, man. University of North Carolina alert. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, interesting. And pending requests. You're in the Discord though, right, Randy? Just say hi in the general chat. I should be able to find you a little bit easier like that. For some reason, it's not coming up. Oh, there's Randy Trades. Okay, I found it. I found you. Frogman. UCLA love following their sports. Starting soon. 91. Nice, nice. Thank you for the jewels, Rearish. Rearisheth. Rearisheth. Oh, like it's like delicious, right? Okay, sweet, Randy, I got that. I will put something together here for you. I'll try to see. There's probably not many like single family homes that are going to be available for that price, so it'd definitely be more apartment styles. Are you? I'll just send you an email. I'll try to figure out a little bit more details on what you're kind of looking for, where you're open to looking, right? Because there might be some decent opportunities in like Quitlam or Burnaby area too. So, well, we're getting a delivery out of this inverted fair value gap. Looks like it's going up a bit here. We have some orders up there at 710. So let's see if we can't gobble these orders up there. Maybe we're going to sweep up a bit and then go back to 665. I hope not. I hope not, Clee. Not yet, anyways. You're long 29,696. Nice. That's basically the same price that I have. Looking for 720s? Yeah, I'll probably be scaling out somewhere up there too. We got orders at 710, 715, and 720. 119 at 710 and 122 at 720. Quite a bit less at 715 area, like only like 27. So we'll see. Clee's been wrong once before, just once though, guys. Very very high on the humility. I agree, Ryan. Don't tell anyone. Okay, I got two more in there. Gonna get to a maximum of 6 contracts. If this thing ends up closing below this inverted fair value gap, though, I'm definitely gonna have to exit this trade. I really only would like to risk around 200 or so on this trade, but we'll have to see. You're short too, sorry. Hey, no problem. Somebody's got to win. And maybe we'll just manage this trade in a way that we can both win. You know? You never know. Oh yeah, I forgot. We got a couple new songs in the Discord from Nightbuild Audio. I just got to download those guys so we can play them here. They're pretty good. One More Cup and I'm Still Here. Add music, downloads. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second, fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. You can run from the game, but you can't from this. What goes right? You have a stop loss up at 29,857, so I'm staying in for quite some time. All right. You're using a wassail, as Zarb would say. A wide ass stop loss. Wassail. Hi, new here and subbed in. What times do you stream? SMMRM. Hey, good evening. I stream Monday to Friday for the market open, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, for roughly 2 to 3 hours sometimes. And then on the evening sessions, I do Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, pretty much like for sure. And I'll throw in the occasional other evening streams if I have the extra time or feel like getting on if market's looking good. So yeah, so Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. So 15 minutes before the market opens. And then Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evenings for 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when we start, and we usually run for about 3 hours. So 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So welcome to the family. Take a moment there, SRMRM, Senior Mr. M. and click the link to the Discord. If you head over to the Discord, here, I'll show you real quick. Head over to the Discord here. This is what it is here. You're going to scroll down and go into this giveaway entry portal here. There's a little pinned message here. You can click at the top right corner. It'll bring down this little window. It shows a pinned message. Click this little link here to take you to a Google Docs form. Fill that out and you'll be entered into all of our Sunday giveaways for the month. So if you fill it out one time, you're going to have an entry of one duck to the duck races every Sunday that we hold. Just a couple of rules you need to know about is you got to be on the stream when we give the giveaway to be able to claim it. You have to be in a country that's allowed to trade with Lucid, because that's who we're using to trade with. And the third thing is you can only win one Sunday in a row. So once you click that form, fill it out, you'll be entered into all the Sunday races. And then tonight, we're going to run a duck race once we hit 75 likes on the stream. Once we hit 75 likes, we're going to run another duck race for extra ducks into the Sunday race. So there's two ways to win, or two ways to get ducks. Anyways, one is to enter the form on the Discord. Two is to enter the form that we're going to post here later once we hit 75 likes on the stream. I'll post it in the YouTube chat. You just fill out that form. You'll be entered into tonight's race. And tonight's race, if you win it, which will give away 3 winners, right? If you win tonight, that means you'll get 1 extra duck into the Sunday race. So that'll make you have 2 ducks in the race, for example. And if you win, next on Thursday, also you could also get another extra duck. So you get a win when you win a free duck, like an extra duck into the race. It sticks with you for 6 weeks. So you're going to have it for the entire month and a little bit, just kind of like to reward people for being active in the stream all the time. So yeah, thank you for subscribing, and appreciate you being here. Yeah, you're welcome. And look at that, Randy Trades gives a $5 super chat there. First one to move is thanks for that, Randy. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. It's called giving it room. Haha. Yeah. Gotta love the wassels. No? Do you trade Asia every day, even though if you don't stream? I often will take it. I'll take if I'm around. If I'm around and I'm not streaming, I might take a trade. But usually, yeah. So the answer is yes. Sometimes I will trade it. So that's what that's. Yeah, is that what it's called? Yeah, wassel. That's how I roll in Asia. Hit the likes, don't be shy. There you go. My risk to reward is terrible, but extremely high percentage of win. Nice. It's called giving it room. Mr. Butcher, what are your predictions for CPI tomorrow? You know what? I don't really like to try to pretend I can predict what's going to happen with CPI tomorrow. So I'm more of a let's see what happens and then react off of it. But I mean, I feel like if I had to guess, I'm hoping it's not even a guess. I'm hoping that it kind of gives us some bullish momentum so that we can head back up to the 30Ks. But we'll have to see. Like I said, I don't like to try to predict. It's basically a coin flip, right? So 1 minute change in state of delivery. Uh-oh, is that bad? I got to go tuck some kids in bed and clean the kitchen. Be back later. All right, Ryan. This guy's so responsible, man. Okay, stop loss, sweetheart. You have a great night. Thanks for tuning in. Sweet stop. You're a good dad, Ryan. Yes. Oh, your name isn't really Ryan, though? Yeah. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left.
I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke. The past just itch. Life turn the tables. Karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. You can run from the game, but you can't from this. What goes round comes back. Remember this. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bet. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits.
Okay, well, I'm in on full size now. Win with 6 micros here. Hopefully we can at least get to these highs here. I'll probably start scaling out if we can pop up a bit here. Hopefully. Rybrilla in the house with around the post. KB back, make this price move. Yeah, let's hope so. Oh, you're in the other stream, Rip? Oh, like you're in the vertical stream? I like the fact that CPI is pre-market, should be volatile. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, if you guys are hanging out with Mustang Trader tomorrow morning, that should be interesting. I think this will come to the bottom of the fair value gap. You mean this fair value gap here? Or are you talking about the current one we're on? I don't know which one you're talking about, but when do you switch from Wassel to trailer? That's a good question. I don't necessarily trade Wassel. I mean, I like to give it some space, but I'm not really. I usually don't really trade Wassel myself. I mean, sometimes I'll go with like a 75-point stop or something on NQ, especially at the market open. But up here, like I'm not looking to risk too much on these Asia sessions. This is an evaluation trade right now, so I'm up 2,200 and something, 2,200 and a bit on this account. So I'm only looking to lose, you know, maybe around 200, maybe 300 in this trade if it were to come back on me. So I'll probably cut it around that point. Plus, if the CP lie is high, then the yen will tank and make support and more difficult. Gotcha. CP lie. Is it a liar, Mick? Oh, it looks like the orders came off up at 720. Not a huge fan of that. Oh, they added them up here, though. They moved them up to 750. Is there a reason you entered there? Yeah, you got an inverted fair value gap. So this is on the 5-minute, there was a bearish fair value gap here from the New York session. So we got a candle closure above it. And then I basically waited for that to happen. And then we got a retest inside the fair value gap. And that's why I had my orders in this yellow box, because this yellow box is considered an inverted fair value gap now, which typically ends up turning a bearish fair value gap in this situation to a bullish fair value gap. And yeah, so that's basically the criteria I have on the trade. Looking for us to like kind of pop up here into the 727, you know, mid 720s, hopefully. No guarantee. Never a guarantee in trading, but I'm just gonna grab some tea. I'm finished my pop, so. Broken bed, you can hide in the dark, but shit, find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. Yeah. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke. The past just itch. Life turn the tables. Karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. Need some tea so we can wake up here. You need to pop down first? I hope not. CP lie has to be better than expected, so it will. Hey, Matthew Lai in the house. Good evening. How are you? What's going on?
Windows tinted, hard code, no forgiveness. I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got the twist down, don't chase karma.
We got the half-hour candle about to start here in 8 seconds. Let's hope that this one kind of delivers us a little bit higher here. We got those 82 contracts that are up at 710, some at 715. The ones that were at 720, it looks like they moved up to 750. So let's hope that we're picking the right direction here. We're above the New York VWAP or the overnight VWAP. We're above the New York VWAP from this session. The only thing that isn't in our favor right now is a point of control is way up there. So technically, this could still be bearish. You know, the rules that I go by, basically, if we get a 5-minute candle closure below 693, I'll probably end up closing this trade for either a break even or a small loss, or hopefully a small loss anyways. I got all my orders set above. I might scale out a little bit more as we get up into the 710 area and just leave like 1 or 2 runners if we can get up there. Come on, let's give us a little pop here, NQ. Let's go, boys and gals. Still holding long from 652. You're short 698, praying. Rybrilla. You're trying to take it ATP, aren't you? Come on, NQ. Let's get a little pop. Always around the post. Yeah. This is the beginning of a big short. Really? Iconic backpack? Like what gives you the idea? That idea anyways. You're flat. Have a nice stream. See you tomorrow. Okay, Randy. Sounds good. Have a good one. Thank you again for the super chat, brother. Really appreciate it. And I'll send you an email here probably tomorrow morning in regards to your property interests. I'll have a little disclosure form for you to fill out also, just, you know, Vancouver real estate rules, you know. Maybe bearish because there's resistance on the 1-minute candles. Yes, is getting a triple top. Oh, wow, yeah. Yes, tapping into value area low and finding some resistance there. Yes, is definitely looking more bearish than NQ at the moment. Kind of seeing a bit of a bear flag or a bull flag though on this on the current NQ flag price action here. But we'll see. Like I said, if we get a closure, 5-minute candle closure below 693 area, I'll be looking to get out of this trade. I have a form for you to fill out as well, Dave. It's no big deal. Don't worry about the word prenuptial agreement. It's just standard. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Hopefully there's green card in there too, right? You're so funny. Come on, NQ. Let's deliver this a little bit higher. Lone Wolf, you like that one, eh? She's a funny gal. What could you say? Could go to 719 and to tap that hourly gap. We have a hourly gap on red card. If you leave me, you go back. Haha. Yeah, red card to get kicked out of the country real fast. 2 yellow cards or 1 red card, and you're out of here. We're ranging in the hourly gap. Yeah, I know. We're in a big hourly bearish fair value gap, so that is kind of like what I was a little worried about. But we still have about 25 minutes in this hourly candle. So if we get closer to the hourly end of the hour, I might consider scaling out or closing. So you're still targeting 665? No, don't say that. That's right where my stop is, basically. The book map is telling us that it wants to go higher, but I mean, you know, the book map doesn't always tell the truth, you know. By tomorrow, New York session NQ will be at 29,400. Really, eh? Dude, I've had a working order on for about 20 minutes. What is this consolidation?
Karma is a bitch, she don't forget every little lie, every broken bet. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah,
the book map does not show all orders. No, I just mean, like, you know, sometimes these are just algo orders, and that doesn't mean that the price is going to go there anyways, right? But we'll see. The KRT map says 665. Clee Torres map or what? What's the KRT map? Explain. Is that your middle name? KRT? I don't know, but I like that map. My initials? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. KRT. Oh, geez. Looks like we're going to have to take it. If this thing closes below 693, we're going to have to be out. We're going to have to be out. Where the buyers at? Where the buyers at? Come on. See, the drop is already starting. Yeah. I hope you're in that trade then, bro. I hope you're in that trade. So at least somebody's going to win.
is a bitch, she don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. Yeah. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is
Chill is bouncing off 680.
Let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call. She just
680 is like all the way down in my stop though, man. I don't want it to bounce there. I want it to go up. You got rejected off value area high? Oh, you're looking at like a developing value area high, I guess. I'm assuming. Let's see here. Where is it? Where is it? Right there. I don't see value area high there. Yes, it did, Clee. It did. Karma's a B. Word. Has confluence there with last night's 1 hour and 50-minute EMAs. Okay. Nothing but a female dog. Ooh. But we do have this bullish fair value gap here too. So maybe I should just think about having that as a line in the sand down here at the 70s. That's going to be quite a bit. What is it? 90. So 70, 80, 95, 25 points. So 50 times 6, 6 times 5 is, yeah. That's okay, though. It's a reasonable stop, I think, right? It's a reasonable stop. The 70s sound great. Validated it under 75, where I'd look for a short to 650s. Fair, that's fair. I mean, if we start inverting these bullish fair value gaps, I would say I would agree with you that we're probably going to head back down to the 50s. So for sure, a setup for a good little scalp is coming up here shortly. Minimum 58 here on this candle, so for sure, little scalp. Oh yeah, you said that earlier. Well, it looks like they're going to try to close it here below this fair value gap. So, I almost feel like I should just take a small loss right now and then consider a re-entry here. But it seems like the buyers also aren't really letting go here.
No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home.
Definitely let this candle close here. Uh-oh. That's not ideal. Isn't volume really low tonight too, or at least Tradeify shows 20K volume in NQ since open? Yeah, I mean, it's typical of Asia sessions, right? We're usually having pretty low volume. Yeah, we did get a closure below 693 there, so let's see if we can't get a retracement back up, and then I'll think about putting my stop in break even here, see if we can't get out at a break even price.
Speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs.
Trying to be patient here, see if we can't get a little bit more of a pop out of this.
And the truth always catches up.
Would be pretty sweet if it decided to rip from here, though. Yeah, but market could move higher into these levels from 8:30 a.m. EST, I believe. Yeah, for sure. This could be the manipulation that we needed for us to head back up. So market could have been shaken off before come back from the fall in big names. Cool tip: if the Mag 7 moves, Nasdaq moves. Yeah, right. I know. We know that. Hectron, I think I saw that you took a payout recently, didn't you? Congratulations, brother. Bleeding is greater than rip. Green on 590 entry. Wee. 590, 690 entry. You know what I mean? Yeah. I was like 690 entry. I'm biased currently. Real hyper reels. Real hyper reels. Damn, Hectron, it's as if those stocks make up the index. Romeo's being facetious here. 5-minute bull flag off the 200 EMA SMA. No, you wouldn't have thought of it like that.
And the truth always catches up.
Well, technically, I should be following my rules here. I should have been out of the trade by now because I had an opportunity to get out break even. Usually when I enter on a fair value gap and we end up inverting it or re-inverting an inverted fair value gap, I usually try to get out break even. But I just feel like this one might have a chance here to pop back up a bit. We're looking relatively bullish at the moment. Buyers kind of stepping in a bit here. 719 the first TP.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on.
I'm considering dropping my stop in profit here, just to like, if it decides to rip back down here, I can be out of this trade. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Might stop me out right now, but it's okay. I'm okay with it. I got at least back to break even here. You spent 4 hours on the MNQ long and 2 points away from stop loss and then turned. Jesus. Whoa. MES is a top 7 companies in NASDAQ, so it'll move good amount. That's how I've been winning trades. Yeah, I usually keep the MES 7 index open also on my side chart here. It's definitely a good way to see what's going on for sure. I'm going to try to take 2 off just at the high of this candle. Let's see if we can't pop it up a little bit more one more time. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out first. Come on, bounce it, bulls.
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would see. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid.
Looks like he's gonna stop me though. I don't know. And then I'll put my stop to 4 micros here at break even. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out right here probably. Yeah, there we go. Okay, well, I took a break even on that trade. No harm, no foul. Probably still gonna play out, but just by going by, this is the rules that I set, guys. So if I enter on a fair value gap, say I enter on a bullish fair value gap long, and then it inverts that fair value gap, that's my signal to say get out, break even. In this case, it was an inverted fair value gap I entered on. We closed above a bearish fair value gap, which inverted it. I waited for the pullback into it, got long. Then we got this candle closure below the inverted fair value gap, which kind of like basically neutralizes the fair value gap. And that's just a signal to say, okay, well, try to get out break even or a little bit of profit. So there it is. Got out on that trade, break even, no harm, no foul. So now we can just reassess here. Maybe we're going to wait for a deeper pullback for a long, or depending on how the volume looks, maybe we can look for a short. So I was in a long coolers, but I decided to put my stop break even there. And good thing I did, because it's going back down all the way to the 690s again. So yeah, it could be a reversal. Yeah, could be. It's crazy how my second payout is already to go, and I just got paid this afternoon. Nice. Good job, Hectron. Killer, bro. I think you got your caps locks is on though. Hey, Hectron. You got a 2K payout almost ready. I got 4 out of 5 days today, so I'm 150 USD to go. Nice, Raj. Nice job. Stopped for 7 points. Still good, about 75 here. That's what I was thinking too. I'm almost like, I kind of missed my opportunity here. I kind of wanted to re-enter at the 683 there on that VWAP there. Okay, let's change up the song here. We've had this one on for a little too long, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot. I thought I added the new songs. Did I? Yeah, here we go. New song, guys. By Nightbuild Audio. It's not really a trading song, but I thought it was pretty cool. It's kind of like it gives you a bit of a country vibe. Back in long 1 micro, stop under 75. Nice, man. Nice. They're scaring you to go long? Which ones? These ones? Are you talking about these ones up here? Maybe. Well, we're in a higher time frame, 4 hour bearish fair value gap right now. Is it 4 hour or 1 hour? 1 hour. I've been searching all my life for the peace I couldn't keep. Now the wind knows my name and the pines all wave hello. Ain't a thing I need. Can you put the name of the current playing song in a box somewhere that we can see? I don't know if we have a way to do that, but if you go into the Discord, you can see these two latest songs. They're posted by Coach Harish. So if you go to the Discord here, all the songs are in the Discord. So if you guys like them, you can just scroll through here. So just go to the AI songs channel, right? And this is Coach Hirsch. He put these 3 songs here recently. There's I'm Still Here remix, and One More Cup. One More Cup is the one that's playing right now. And then before that was I think it's this NQ Trickery we were playing a little bit earlier. And then before that it was these guys right here. So Market Open, Wait for Confirmation, Liquidity Raid, and 1%. So you can sample them all in the Discord there too if you like them or not. So check it out. Oh yeah, I downloaded them when they show up. Nice. Have you played I'm Still Here? No, not yet. That's next. I'm just playing the 1 cup first, and then I'll play I'm Still Here remix is next. It starts with mornings just this way. One more sip, one more sunrise. Have you tried My Funded Futures fast 1 to 2 day payouts? I actually just signed up with them to try to get affiliate code with them. Looks like they haven't got back to me yet about that, but hopefully I'll be getting an affiliate. Thank you for applying. We're working hard to review your application as soon as possible. So we'll see if I can get My Funded Futures as another cup before I leave. As an affiliate code. That would be sweet. Okay, so that song's done there. I'll turn on the other one here now. I'm Still Here. Stillness in the quiet hum before the day's demands become. The last song isn't on here? Yeah, it is. It's called 1 Cup. So it's a 1 More Cup. It's the 3rd song right here. It's in the very bottom of the AI songs here. This one right here. 1 More Cup. I'm Still Here. Oh, the one before it? The one before it is, I think I was playing this one right here. Wait for Confirmation. Or you're talking about the other one, which was are you talking about Karma Don't Care? The Karma song? Midnight Manipulation coming. Hectron, you have a good night, bro. Good to see you. Thanks for hanging out. Hit the like button on the way out, bro. How are we doing on the likes, guys? Did we get to 75 yet? Once we get to 75, we're going to run those duck races. We're at 50, so we need about 25 more. We have 125 people watching or so right now, 134 people in X, and the rest are in YouTube. Midnight Manipulation coming? Yeah, could be, could be. Highly favored trading. How am I doing tonight? I'm doing great, thank you. How are you doing? Let's go. Yeah. Hey, Skeletor. Hey. Hey, any big size resting orders above 700 on MNQ? We have 85 at 710. We got 60 at 715. And then we got 175 at 750, 110 at 760. I got into a short here. I don't know. Hopefully this thing's going to play out. I don't know, though. Looks like I was almost going to get a TP there. And now it's bouncing on me. Bounced off the 14 EMA.
Promises I made, moments I forgot. The weight of the day, it's pulling me deep. But I know there's strength that I'll soon meet.
Hey puppy. Ralph's in the house.
To feel like I'm finally me. I rise with the beat, I feel the spark. No longer afraid to take on the dark. Every step I take.
Let's go. If back above 700 could get a little bit, raise stop a small few points. I know I'm like I flipped the bias here just for I was trying to get a scalp, and then it didn't quite get back down to where I wanted to get in to take my TP there. So I wouldn't be short until the 200 orders on NQ at 750 get entertained. Okay, I guess I better close this guy. Let's see what happens here at the 700s. Not sure. It was a woman artist, super song. You locked the door, change your name, but yesterday, remember the game? Maybe it's this guy?
Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who
702 stop for short. Above that, you get that 719.
smile in your face, then cut when you switch. But life got a balance. Karma's that bitch. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. Yeah. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke.
Yeah, I had a chance to take some profits on that last trade, but then I was like, had to flip it over so that it was live on the stream, and then by that point, it kind of like just bounced straight back up. I was like, oh, jeez. Is this the song that you're thinking of? So this one is actually, let's see, where was this one here? Is it on the Discord? Yeah, I'm getting ready to close this guy here.
Hard code, no forgiveness. I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got the twist down, don't chase karma, handle this.
You don't want to lie? You're not gonna lie? You want a full port funded for CPI? Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Be responsible. Trade like an adult, you know? 15 minutes looking bullish. Yeah, I don't know why I really flipped my bias there. It was meant to be a scalp, and now it's just not. It didn't play out properly. I just kind of missed my TP there. I had originally had this order a little bit lower. It didn't quite get there. Damn. Oh, it's not an artist. It's an AI song, bro. It's an AI song. It's I'll post you it right here. You can find it on Suno, which is the AI platform. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. Yeah. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts. You just had that thought? Yeah. Nowadays, it's all AI music, guys. Here we go. Let's get that TP now. Come on. Come on. Hit those. Hit those. It's looking heavy enough. Keep going. Keep going. Don't play around now. Come on. Get down to those lows. Tap into this fair value gap one more time. Come on, Bears. Just a little more. Just squeeze a little more out of it. Trade like an adult. Don't be a degenerate trader. I learned the hard way. It's not easy. You're going to be so mad that when you blow your accounts trying to like YOLO CPI, then you're going to go buy some more. Then you're going to blow those accounts trying to like get back to a funded account. It's not worth it, man. You know, just lock in those, couple $100 base hits multiple times. You're going to be there. You're going to get those payouts. Best way to play it. IMO, in my opinion, not financial advice, but if it's any good advice, is just don't YOLO it. Preserve that capital. What is a base hit? I mean, it's relative to what you think, but I think a base hits are just kind of like small winners, right? $100, $200, $300 winners kind of idea. I'll show you. This is the very first song that I made for the channel, and it says it all. Where did it go? This song says it all, guys. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up on the NASDAQ too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set to stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking. It won't for 20 hours with CPI coming in the AM. What is it? What are you saying, Force Fed? It won't what? Learn your lesson sooner rather than later, and be cruel to yourself for being neglectful. It's the fastest way to train the degeneracy out of you. Very, very valid point there, Christian. Appreciate that comment. Watch for 716 and for the short. It's a 4-hour wick test. Okay. Hey, yo, Jim. What's up, Jim? How you doing, buddy? That's the jam, Dave. It's a classic. I know. It's one of the very first songs we put out from the AI tracks originally. Yo, Jim's in the house, everybody. Dr. Jihad Muhammad. I don't know if you guys saw that movie before. I can't remember what it's called right now. Big seller incoming? Oh, come on, guys. Just go to the lows. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's a real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. Hey, Angia, are you still here? Angia? I think she said good morning earlier. I just don't know. I haven't seen her since. I want to hear if she's been taking some big trades or not. She's been killing it lately. There she is. Hi, Angia. Yeah. What about Clee? Clee, did you still stick around, or did you have to go? You sure hope so, boss? Jane says she's in the shower, right? Angie's long. Oh, damn. I better get out of this thing then. Should I lock in $17 profit, guys? But think go break even? Uh-oh. I am going to stay until the end. Oh, thanks, Angia. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base. Hey, Greg P in the house. Hey, the market is going nonsense. Yeah, I know. It's not really doing anything at the moment here. It's a flip of a coin. Watching paint dry tonight, bro. It'd be like that. Yeah. It's been months since I last been in this live. It took a month break from trading. Now I'm back. Hey, VPRIXS. Welcome back. Good to see you. Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Nothing's looking normal. Yeah, I know, right, Angia?
should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade.
Let's hear some no FOMO, only YOLO. Oh, Ralph's just passed out there, guys. Ralph's loving the sleepy times.
Late night futures. Discord open. Charts blowing. Let's go.
Let's see here. What did I miss? He moved a second ago? Okay. Not much volume. I'm going to call it a night so I can get up for London pre-market. Yeah, smart. All right, Skeletor. You have a great night, bro. Price didn't move the whole time. Not really, hey? Ralph is the cutest NQ mascot. Yeah, he is. He's our NQ mascot. Just hanging out with us, you know. Okay, good night, Mr. Amigo, Skeletor. Market won't move until 8 hours from now? Yeah. What is that like market open tomorrow morning, you mean, or something? Oh, or for till CPI. Yeah, that's true. I'm not looking for a huge move. I just want to see us sort of sweep these down into these 690s here. Knife coming? Hopefully it's a knife down, not a knife up. Don't expect any fireworks during Asia and London session? Yeah. Your puppy passed away in June after 16 years. Dogs are God's gift. Yes, they are. Really makes you appreciate life, though, doesn't it, Mafia? Like, I know it sucks to lose them, but at the same time, it also kind of like helps you look at life in a different way, right? Makes you really appreciate some of the things that you have in your life. You've been in this cell for too long? 100% a lesson in unconditional love. Yeah, that's one thing they for sure have. They give us. Almost 2 hours, eh? Damn. Yeah, sorry about your lost love, this Mr. Mafia. It's tough. You're going on 6 hours in that trade, bro? Wow. Ryan, you're crazy guy. You're a crazy guy. Come on, NQ. Don't just close. Don't just hold this 694 level. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Get down here. Please. Be nice. Be nice. You can do it. Come on. The max it took my target to back to testing past 2 months was 11 hours. Wow. That's crazy. That's a long session. Dumpity dump? You're short from 695.75? My banger tonight trade tonight was gold. Nice, Lafta. I like that. I like it. Come on. What's at the 90s here? We only got 28 contracts there. Come on. We got a low volume node here down at the 80-85 area. Should be able to get through there. Come on. Oh, we wicked all the way down there to 89. Oh, is it going to bounce now? Don't do that. Don't do that, NQ. Look at it. Left that wick all the way down there at 89. 89.75. Shortstop above 700.
Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
Don't be a bugger, NQ. Really? I don't know. I'm getting bored of this trade, guys. I might just close this here with $26 profit. Should have locked in the 50. Mincia with that candle. What's Mincia? It's what Italians say your mispronunciation. Oh, I'm mispronouncing it. Mincia. Oh, really? Really? Why is it doing this here? Release the volume. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking about just closing this trade here. What the heck, man? It's just not doing what I wanted to do here. Keep missing these TPs by a couple points. I had to show my kids your highlight reel of kickboxing? Really? How did you find it? Or did you watch you went back to the stream? Dang, he threw his life away to do trading? You moved your stop to get out? Yeah. Oh, you went back. Nice. Hold your short until CPI day. Trust me. Yeah, okay. Just like let it ride, hey? I'm starting to feel a little tilty, to be honest. And it's been 2 break even. If I close this now, it's another, like, basically a break even trade. Source, trust me, bro. I like that, Greg. Force is onto something here? Yeah. Okay, Laughter, have a good one. How we doing on the likes? Is it time to get this form going, guys? 65. Do you think we got 10 more likes in the chat, guys? We got 10 more likes. I'll get this giveaway going here. I ain't closing mine, stick to my strat, so if the trades are open for CPI, so be it. What's the CPI candle usually? 500 points? Uh-oh. This is pretty frustrating market price action, guys. Give us a little pullback here so I can get out. Good idea there, whoever put that stop loss and got out.
Another lesson. Another chart.
Oh, fall day. Fall day today. You think they're projecting a plus minus 1.8% move, but I think that it'll be more. Gotcha.
Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah. Chill. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed.
7740, looking for group. Maestrazilla. Maestrazilla. I'm gonna huddle. I feel dumping coming. Hey there, we hit the 77 likes, guys. So I'm gonna get this form filled out here. So too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, that we target hits. Don't chase move, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick and lose. We ain't here for a one day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Face it, stack, get the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like an adult. Yeah, market butcher, Mustang trade. Concrete session. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers, city lights flicker. Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Yeah, back when the tape deck click with the static sound. Dreams felt. name, email, YouTube name, country, comments.
Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers. When the pressure came around, built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn.
All right, guys, fill out the form here for the duck race for tonight. We're going to be giving away 3 extra ducks for the Sunday race. If you're guys come tune in on Sunday, you'll get a chance to win a 25K Lucid Flex account. So this, if you win tonight or any of these evening streams outside of Sunday, you get more chances to win on Sunday. So yeah, fill out the form there, guys, and I'll get you entered into the race. Get you into a race for an extra duck into the Sunday race. I can't seem to spit that out.
Mustang trader, market butcher.
And then also, if you haven't already, head over to Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top. There's a pinned message at the very top of the chat. There's another Google form there. Once you fill that one out, you'll be entered into all of the Sunday races. So that's how you get multiple ducks. If you win one tonight, you'll get an extra duck on top of the form in Discord. So to get your first duck, head over to Discord, fill that form out in the giveaway channel. And then if you win a duck race throughout the week here, you'll get an extra duck so that you can have 2 or possibly even 3 or even more ducks in the Sunday race. just increasing your odds to win the 25K Lucid Flex account, just to say thank you for tuning into the stream. Just increasing your chances of winning one of those evaluation accounts. My long finally paid out. Got it 702. That was painful. 30 minutes for 230 bucks. Nice. I know I took a break even earlier. Now I've been in this one since here. I think it was around here. I don't remember now. Oh, here. So 2050. So I've been in for about 40 minutes here. Also. Yeah, it's been a long time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 or 45 minutes here. Let's see if we're going to get it now. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, please. Just go down there. It's not even that far. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to put them all right here. And I'll leave this last two down here. Hopefully we get out the 4 here. There we go. Okay, let's give it a little more space here. Gonna go buy 2 stop here. Trail it down. We got the trailing to 90, 94, 93. Let's go 90. We'll leave it at 94. If this thing bounces here, so be it. Bam! Yeah, nice little patience there. Let's see if this thing can't continue lower, though. It would be nice. Locked in some profits there. I got 5 points basically times, so that's 10. So it's basically 20 bucks more if we get. I'm up 60 bucks right now. Nothing too huge, but with this market, I'll be happy with that. Is it gonna dump? Let's target this VWAP here. The New York VWAP. Gonna bring this down to 92 now. 91. 90. 89. 88. Okay, I'm out there. Nice. Okay, 75 bucks. $77. You're welcome. Just kidding. Coming down to 660s. I don't know. I can't really trust this thing to get out of this range for a while. Who knows, right? Who knows? Hunting pips. Just go down. That's what she said. Oh yeah. I didn't know you were such a funny guy. Did one of us jump in along and that's why I dumped? Probably, I'm sure. Somebody went into a long and they're like, it's gonna break out, and then it just went down. Oh, okay, I could have got the TP down there. Hey, Ralph out cold. Wish I could sleep that well. I know this guy, he can sleep so good. You know what I did though is I was smart. I fed him before the stream started, so then he's just passed out. That's it. TP hit. Just got 2K payout, baby. Nice, bro. You know what? Just for that, I got a song for you here. Not only that, but we're gonna do a little bit of this too. You already know. First payout. Let's go. W's in the chat. It's a victory jam. Hey, Trina Banana. Slow market tonight. Yes, it is. It is. I could have held the short till tomorrow. You think so, Iconic Backpap? Maybe. Maybe. You never know. You could be right. Seems like you're pretty accurate today, so I hope that you're in one holding it. And then tomorrow in the Discord, post it when you get your big TP down at 660s or wherever you're targeting. I got faith, bro. I got faith. All right, guys, make sure you fill out that form. I'll post it here again. So, guys, make sure you fill out the form here. That'll get you entered into tonight's duck race. Not only that, like I said, head into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, fill out the form on the pinned comment of the giveaway channel, which is at the very top of the channel. That'll get you one duck into next Sunday's duck race and all the future Sundays for the rest of the month. And then tonight, the form that I just posted in the chat here, this is a separate form just for tonight's race. Fill that one out. You'll be entered into a race tonight. And if you win, you'll get an extra duck in the following Sunday's giveaways. So it just increases your odds of winning. So, hey, Michael Krog in the house. Good morning, Michael. Good evening from Mission, Canada.
Everybody screaming, charts looking clean, accounts still dreaming. Lucid trading, Tradeify, blue sky, we're flying high.
Wow, bounced right back up there, guys. Yee. Yee. Pretty rangy, pretty rangy. 138 people in YouTube, guys. Wow. Feeling blessed, feeling blessed. Okay, let's VWAP is king. Make sure you head over to the Market Butcher channel or Market Butcher Trades website here. If you're looking for some merch, Market Butcher Collection 001, it's called VWAP is king. Cut through the noise. Designed for disciplined traders, focused on consistency, built for the grind, and respect the process. So if you see there, we got a shirt here. We got VWAP is king with the Market Butcher on the back. See? VWAP is king. Market Butcher on the back. We got the Market Butcher hat. We got the hat. We got a sweater also, which I have over here. We got the sweater, really nice quality, and VWAP is king on the back. So whether you want it or maybe something for a family or friend that's also a trader, we got the baseball cap there with a couple different color options, and we got these cups. I'm wondering where my cup is actually. It should be getting delivered pretty soon. Let me double check that actually. And then, then we also have the giant mouse pad here. This guy right here. It's a 16 by 32 mouse pad. So we got the Market Butcher, a little bit of candle action, cut through the noise, trade like an adult, stack base hits, VWAP is king. We got a big bull here. Pretty killer, really killer. So check it out, guys. MarketButcherTrades.com. Anyone from LA? Albert. Yeah, Jerry Trades is around LA anyways. I don't know if he's in LA, but he's pretty close. Dr. Hi Matt in the house. Hey, how are you? You need a straitjacket? For undisciplined traders, you could offer a chastity belt or a straitjacket. I like that idea. 20 sells. Really? You're in 20 micros short, 680, stop at 715, 660. Oh, TP's at 660, I'm assuming. This price though, it's not very good. Boner candle condoms are the next drop, you heard? Really? What do you think? Should I get this apron made and put it on the site or what? You guys want the boner candle apron? Wouldn't your wife love to see you cooking in the kitchen with a boner candle on? Stickers, please. I put them on my Yetis. Oh, really? Oh, you like you want a Market Butcher sticker? That's not a bad idea. I wonder if I can make that. I probably can. Because I use Printify for it. So like any orders come through Printify. Okay, let's change the song here now. Boner candle stocking hat. Let's go. Oh, you should make a BC apron that pops out so you can poke the wifey with it. That'd be pretty funny, bro. Greg, you're like NQ, dirty mind. Close SD. Alberto Rancho Cucamonga. Close enough. San Diego. Doing the robot for you guys. Produced, shipped, delivered. Really? August 6th. It says that the coffee cup was delivered. Hold on a sec here, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta go check out front to see if the coffee cup was delivered. Be right back.
Ralph the Frenchie shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands risk. Even the ducks know when to quit. But somehow I still average down while the whole chat's watching it. I'm an Amish trader, a stop-loss violator. I turn a tiny paper cut into a full excavator. I'm an Amish trader, the drawdown navigator. I could lose money on a trade with insider information. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Already regretting this. Boner candle, straight to heaven, then it dumps. Like every single time. The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere.
I didn't see it out there, so it must have been delivered to the post office. Hey, Dad. Dad's in the house. Good evening, Dad. How are you doing? Jerry, which is closer to you, LA or San Diego? You had an issue connecting to Tradeify. The problem was the agreement wasn't signed. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that happens. I do have a discount code with Tradeify, guys, if you need one. I was pretty excited actually to get a discount code with them because they're such a great firm. I haven't bought any accounts with them yet though, so I'm gonna have to. I'm waiting here. I got a couple accounts that are ready for payout, so once I get a payout, I'll consider doing that. Pretty bleak day today though, guys. I'm up 4.8K on the month so far, but today was like 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loser, up $103 only. But so far it's been a pretty good month. All green across the board so far. Just trying to be patient here. I'm like I said, I got a couple funded accounts, 3 accounts that are eligible for payouts right now. Just trying to get a little bit more in them so I can take a bigger payout. But yeah, just trying to look for the better day to trade those ones on to see if I can't put a little bit more profit in them. I got 2,232 in one Lucid Flex account. I got 2,370 in another one, and then my Take Profit Trader account is up 2,826. So those are all eligible for payouts. But like I said, I just wanted to get squeeze a little more money into them before I take it. So how many fundeds do I have on rotation? I have 2 Lucid Flex. I have 1 Take Profit Trader Pro. I have 1 Top 1 Futures, 100K account. I have 1 Blue Sky 50K account. So 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 accounts right now. And I got 2 evaluations that I'm working on. One's this Blue Sky 200K static drawdown account. So that one is up 2,271 in there. And then I have my Top 1 Futures. This one right here. This one's up 1,875. This is a Lucid or a Top 1 Futures Elite Daily account. And then this is one of those Elite Access accounts. This one's up this is a funded account. This one's up 1,611. So I think you guys heard that one enough, hey? You got it? You don't go up that way too much? I will use the code for next eval. Hey, thanks. Fall day today. Appreciate that. How much left on the table? Panic seller here at 3,500 left. Yeah, OC. I copy trade my Lucid Flex accounts, the 2 that I have there. Those ones I copy trade, and then I've been trading my my TPT account individually, and then I've been copy trading my eval and my funded account in Top 1 Futures, and then I recently just connected my Blue Sky eval and funded account. So I kind of like just copy only to one firm basically. So when I trade Lucid, I'll trade the 2. When I trade TPT, I only trade the 1. When I trade yeah.
brings us home. VWAP is king. Everybody sing. Price comes back like a boomerang. VWAP is king. Let the candle swing. Don't go broke. Taking profits. That's our thing. That's our thing.
Finally breaking out. I know, right? There goes. This was a long idea that I had earlier. I would have been taking TPs up here. So
Watch it flow back again, back again. Smart money always knows.
ES plus 2 divs. Very nice. Yeah, finally breakout. There you go, Angie. Are you in a long? Yeah, I think you said you were in a long, weren't you? I know that was my original bias. I don't know why I decided. I was really in that just for a short scalp. So
Calling out the moves. When he's cool, he's got the groove. Jerry waiting, never rushed. One clean setup. That's enough.
bought 25,771 today at 0.23, sold at 0.55, and then ran to 160. Oh, damn. That's quite a bit of profit there, hey? That you could have had, but don't be upset about money left on the table, right? Green is green, right? Where would I place TP? I was looking for the 25 area, 20 to 25 area. So, you think it's a dead cat bounce? You think this is going to be the dead cat bounce here, like rolling over like this? Woo. I feel like if we were going to get a dead cat bounce, it would have been this right here, and then it just keeps going down. But I mean, it could do this and then go down. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Could always do that. VWAP is king. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go to this. Oh, geez, I totally forgot here, guys. We got that form going. How are we looking on the form? 28 entries here. Geez, we have like 100 people in the chat. Why do we only get like 28 entries? I mean, 127 people watching right now. I posted the form in the chat, and we only got like 28 entries. I don't get it. You'd think we'd have like 50 or 100 or 50 or 60 entries. You got about 7 more minutes here for the entry. No. You can only enter once. There you go, Chris. I just posted it now, so enter in that bad boy. There we go. We got 2 more. I'll take the 28 entries. Yeah. You like it when there's less, right? I'm just putting it out there because it's like I don't get it. Like when we have that many people watching and we post a form, like they're not very interested in maybe posting the form is a good way to avoid people who aren't very interested because they don't want to have to do the work, right? It's the bots, LOL. Yeah, didn't plan on catching the stream. It's hard to this week. Oh yeah, because you're working, right? You're working early and stuff. We'll be running the giveaway here in about 5 minutes. Excuse me for a minute, guys. I just got to use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Market butchers king. Target butchers. Market butchers. Market VWAP is king. VWAP is king. Is king. Target butcher. Market butcher. Late night futures. VWAP is king. When G is dropping schedule right on time. Yo, I'm saying in Q dirty every night. Jane Bond yellow, hit the likes. Top 40 stacking payouts right. Miss K bringing all the hype. Car laughing through another spike. Chris says wait, don't chase that wick. Take your profit, don't be a dick. Smart money moving quietly. Retail chasing wildly. Mustang drawing every zone. Patience always brings us home. VWAP is king. Everybody sing. Price comes back like a boomerang. VWAP is king. Let the candle swing. Don't go broke. Taking profits. That's our thing. That's our thing. Value high.
Poor Ralph's like, where did Dad go? I know he keeps like looking at me when I'm walking by, right? Chris, got family in town. I'm gonna miss Sunday stream because I have to be up super early Monday morning to run to the airport. Oh damn, that sucks, Chris. Dad, you got in? Oh, look at that. We got 40 on the form now. There we go. That's better, guys. At least that's like 1/3 of the chat got in on the form now. So, all right, we're pretty much at the hourly here. So I'm gonna let's get it going here. I'm gonna try to get rid of. They're waiting for you to start setting up the race and make you fill out the form for them last minute. Yeah, I know, right? that's what they like to do, right?
That's enough. Top 40 says wrist first, bro.
That's how they do. That's how they do. I know, Jerry. You're very accurate. Ralph, what are you doing? Were you shaking? Were you grinding your head in the ground again? Oh, he's thirsty now. You thirsty, bud? You thirsty? Here we go. Come on. Have some water. He's a thirsty boy. He's a thirsty boy. Drinking the water. Poor Your duck is ready. Dad's in. It's rigged. Yeah. Good luck, everyone. I left you a sweet note on mine. Oh, okay. I'm going to have to see that. I love looking at the notes, guys. I love looking at the notes. Okay. I'm going to copy the names here. Agent Rogue, Red's Everyday Dog. Hey, where's Red? He hasn't been making any comments in the chat today. What's going on? He's on the forum, but he's not commenting in the chat. Why is he neglecting us? Why is he neglecting us, guys? Go Ducks. Woof. I'm a winner. Ducks. Dump. You are awesome. Duckies. Thanks for the stream, Butcher. Great stream. Thank you. Get ducked. Base hits. Keep up the great work, Dave. How much luck could a Dave Duck chuck in a Dave Duck could chuck Lux? How much luck could a Dave Duck chuck if a Dave Duck could chuck Lux? Say that 5 times fast, eh? Thank you, Mr. Dave. I love you and Dad. Hey, thanks, Angia. I know who that is. You're the best, Dave. CPI gonna dump. Nice stream. Thanks. Hit my TP already. Nice. Check your DMs on Discord. I sent you one the other night. Let me see here. Oh, it might be under a message request, right, Chris? Oh, okay, Chris. In the you mean like in the Discord? Sure, I can give you a higher status, which would give you the ability to also boot people. I added you there anyway, so let me see. Where did Chris go? Let's see. Open in mod view. Getting a bit of a pullback there. Let's see here. Rolls. Let's create rolls. There you go, Chris. I updated your roles there. There you go. Thank you for that, for the help. Appreciate it. Always good to have some more trusted people around. Where's Red? We can't see his chats? Yeah, I know. Oh, there he is. Oh. Hello at anyone. Can you see my chats? Oh, were you playing around there, ForceFed? You're like pretending you can't see him or what? I bet your ForceFed's just saying that to like be like, haha, just tricking him. Okay, let's get this duck race going here. Names, edit list. What happened to the music? Look, it restarted the song. Angia's favorite. Well, one of her favorites. Sweet. Yeah, thanks for that. Appreciate it. Oh yeah. I don't know. I haven't seen Red's messages at all. I don't know. Is he around? Have you seen Red, ForceFed? Usually he's pretty talkative in the chat, and today he's just I saw him on the forum, but I don't see his chats. Also stopped me out by 0.25 points. No way. Really? Oh, that's annoying. All right, guys. So we got 40 entries here. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Full screen. So we're going to give away 3 ducks for next Sunday's giveaway here. Banners. Give it 3 shuffles here, and we'll get this race on the go. Good old 43, which is my brother Jesse's favorite number. I don't know why, but it is. So that's why I use this number, 43, for Jesse Ritchie. Hey, lots of ones in the chats here. You guys are getting ready. 6767. Good luck. All right, let's go. We're off. Sunday at what time? Usually around this time is when we do the giveaway. Hunting pips on Sunday. Hey, there's D. Roy Stewart, Angia, OCCC 2888, Christine, Ryan Entourage, Ahmed Sadiq, Savage Trades, Rybrilla ATP, Rybrilla ATP, it says new name, Keith Matthew. Who's that? I can't see the name. Oh, fall day today. Oh, stop loss hit. Stop losses are getting hit here. 3 seconds. Who's coming up here? Chizard. Look at this guy hitting all the ones in the chat, and then he ends up winning. What the heck? Chizard with all the ones in the chat. Okay, Chizard's got an extra duck into the Sunday race. So Chizard, make sure you head over to Discord and fill out that form too. That way you're going to have 2 ducks in the Sunday races coming up for the rest of the week or the rest of the month. Chizard 81 extra duck for Sunday race. So I use ChatGPT to keep track of whoever has extra ducks. It's 6 weeks. Every 6 weeks, it'll cycle them out. So if you have extra ducks for that long, they'll be taken out. If you guys win the race, you also lose your extra ducks. You go back down to 1 duck. So it's just fair for everybody else, right? So Chizard got that extra duck here. So we'll remove him from the race for the next one, and we'll get going here. Let's shuffle it up. 3 shuffles. So Chizard, make sure you head over and fill out the form on Discord though, so you can have 2 ducks for the Sunday race. And we're off again here. We're getting a red knife right. Oh, geez, guys. Wowza. Wowza. Heading lower here. Market is really leaving my ad in by 25.25 ticks. Oh, really? Damn. You got missed your add in by 0.25 and Angia got stopped by 0.25. What the heck? Hey, look, my dad's got like some sort of like broker duck or something here. Maestrazilla looks like who's this? Christopher Wilson Drastic Static. Christopher Wilson Drastic Static. Congratulations. Are you here? This is going to be a hard name to write in. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Akazuka Perzi. It's not bad for the channel if they do that because it shows activity. There you go, Christopher. You got an extra duck. Christopher Wilson Drastic Static. Extra duck for a Sunday race. So it seems like you don't have a duck yet either. So make sure you head over to Discord there, guys. If you haven't already, I'll send you the link here, because you really should sign up on the form on the Discord also, so that you can have multiple entries into the Sunday race. And make sure you come tune in for the Sunday race. I'll post the link for the Discord here. So go into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top. There's a pinned message there. Fill that pinned message out, and then you'll get an entry. You'll get your extra duck into the Sunday race. So now that you won one here, if you fill out the form on Discord, that means you're going to have 2 ducks in all of the Sunday races coming up for the next, basically 4 weeks for now, but 6 weeks in general, as long as you fill out the Discord form again and show up on the Sundays so that you can win. Let's race again here, though, guys. We'll do one more here. See if we can't get another winner. Good luck. We're off. I didn't win. I moved from desktop to laptop. No, you didn't win. No, you did not win. Okay, well, maybe if you filled it out on Sunday, yeah, just if you try to fill it out again, it won't let you if you already filled it out. So maybe it's just not one bonus duck. I'll ask if it. Agent Rogue. Congrats, Agent Rogue. Yeah, you might be on the forum, Christopher, but just double check that you are. Just, I guess you weren't in there last time, so. Agent Rogue, are you here? Are you here? Because if not, I was going to give it to second place. And if second place isn't here, we'll give it to third place. Agent Rogue. Did you stick around? Agent Rogue. We'll give him 1 minute here to say what's up in the chat. He's not here? He might have left already, eh? So that means if Agent Rogue isn't here, that means Christine is second place here. I don't see Agent Rogue in the chat either. I don't see Agent Rogue in the chat. We'll give him till the candle strikes 14. The clock strikes 14, sorry, not the candle. Okay, perfect. Maybe I just maybe it didn't the AI might not remember it. And once we get to next Sunday, I'm gonna take the form all over again and put it into ChatGPT, and it'll okay, well, all right. Well, you know what? I just already gave it to second place, so I'll give one to Agent Rogue and one to Christine here. So congratulations to both you guys. There we go, Agent Rogue, extra duck. And you know what? Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Why not, right? Why not? Let's shuffle it out. Good luck here. Maybe your duck's going to come awake this time, Trina. Maybe it's this one. I see Jerry Trades Futures. I see Hyper Reels. Real Hyper Reels. What's this? Australia? Somebody Australia. I can't see the full name there. Dorsey family. Raphael Cini. Jerry Trades Futures. Yo Jim something now. Every week this guy changes a bit. It's awesome. Oh, CCC, you're gonna take this one, eh? With the cool looking duck, the beach duck. Oh, CCC. Congrats, OC. Are you here, Mr. OC, or did you lag out? Are you lagging? Are you behind on the stream? There you go. First time. Thanks. Hey, congrats. OCCC 2888 extra duck. There we go. You got an extra duck into the next Sunday race. Well, the next 6 weeks of Sunday races. Well, there we go, guys. We did it. We got to the end of the stream. We did our duck races. We took a small winner. And look at that. Price popped up and came all the way back down. What the heck? What the heck? $89 people watching right now, 7 on X. Hey, thanks for hanging out, everybody. I appreciate you guys. You know, looks like we're going to get a pullback all the way to the VWAP, maybe? Maybe? Not loving the price action, though. Not touching the funded accounts in this type of price action, just being conservative here. So it is what it is, you know. I do have the 2 evals. I did, you know, took a little winner there. We're up $77 in that 200K Blue Sky eval. And my top 1 futures is almost at 2,000. That's a top 1 futures elite daily account. So I think in about 10 or 11 days, I get a renewal on my Take Profit Trader eval, which I blew last month. So that one will come up fresh. I'm hoping to get another pro account. That would be pretty sweet. Those accounts are pretty hard to trade at first with that intraday trailing drawdown. The bigs are going to drop this to add liquidity right before CPI report, then be pushing this up. Nice. Potential dip buyers. We'll see. We'll see. How's the volume looking? I mean, there's some decent volume on that candle currently. 1 minute left here. What time do we got here? We can stick around until half past the hour here, at least. And let's see how it goes. Let's see. Bump, 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 bump. Great stream night, everyone. Thanks, Dave. Hey, wrong trade, Jim. You have a great night. Glad that my trade went break even. Don't feel like want to do DCA today. Yeah, I know. You know, DCA works, right? Sometimes when you want to like get out of a trade, but the worst is when you try to DCA and it's like one of those ones that just aren't gonna stop going down. You know, today's like you're pretty lucky on this type of market action. If you do get into a bad position, you could probably scale in a little bit higher and get out, break even. I don't recommend it, but I think we've all done it before. Sort of like try to fix your trade, but it works until it doesn't, and when it doesn't work, it blows your account. So if you can try to get in the habit to not DCA in, is the best. And then obviously you gotta be concerned about total position sizing, right? Which is the other hard part. So if you're going in with 3 or 5 micros at the start, it's pretty hard to DCA in and get a good price if price starts pulling back on you, right? So just keep that in mind, guys. Most of your winning trades are DCA though, but you're right, it's very dangerous and you're not willing to cut the losses. Yeah, it's just like it works. I know it works, Andrea. It works really good, but the time that it doesn't work is when often you're going to do either major damage or blow the account, right? But you know, in some situations you can really work good for in your favor, right? You're adding in, and then it goes into profit, and it's just like bam, you have like huge profits, right? You got to know when to cut the losses instead of adding it. Yeah, that's true. Yep. At some point you just got to still be okay to like take the loss, right? Even if you're adding into it, you just need to be able to cut it. So oh, you don't do it on DCA in New York? Yeah, because it can really blow your account, right? DCA is only okay when there's total loss within your daily loss limit. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, whatever you deem to be your daily loss limit, whether it's a rule on the prop firm or whether it's your personal loss limit amount. Totally agree. You know, and I'm often scaling into trades. I don't necessarily call it DCA, but it is DCA. But you know, like as you guys saw on a couple of those trades, I had like multiple orders below, just trying to add in a little bit more if we get a little bit deeper of a pullback. Yeah, DCA is can be pretty scary on New York with how much the price moves, right? VWAP hit nuts. Oh yeah, I didn't even see that. Damn, Gina. Good morning from Saudi Arabia. Wow. It's great to see real traders. I hope all your trades are successful. I hope we all have successful trades. I totally agree with you 100% there, bro. And welcome to the stream. Nice to see you from Saudi Arabia. That's awesome.
Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not.
You know, we haven't played any of these baby metal yet. Nobody likes getting stopped out, guys. Good morning from Abu Dhabi. Really? Wow. That's amazing. We got traders from all across the world right now. The market is unusually slow today. Everyone is waiting for CPI report. Yes, I agree 100% with you right there. No stop loss, just take profit.
Bad advice. Market butcher on the chart. Mustang trader places part. VWAP here, value there. Boner
8 micros long at the VWAP. Nice job, Angia. I got in long too. I'm just a little bit slow here to switch over the. I got in my top 1 futures eval account, so I'm just trying to get this loaded up here. Hopefully, price doesn't come back down on me. I got a little bit late entry though, so my entry's at 677. But I just saw us recovering, and I was like, "Damn, this is looking pretty good." Nice dip buy, yep. Yeah, I missed out on a lot of those points there. You know, should have been in at 670. That's like 7 points there, and then another 10 points now, so almost 20 points. Gotta do something to punch back that stupid NQ.
Risk management, very important, but profits are also nice.
Good night.
I literally just got in this trade like right here. Like right here on this candle. So only been in this trade for about 2 minutes. Probably going to take one off here and then just leave one break even and see if we can't let it run for a bit. Oh, don't pull back. Come on. Don't pull back. Come on. Where is this one? Since it is pretty late, I think I'm going to put a stop break even here. If I get stopped out, it's okay. I'm just thinking because I'm going to be getting off pretty soon anyway. So either this thing's got to go here relatively quick, but if it decides to come down and stop me out, that's fine. We'll put it 1 point in profit on 2 micros. So it's $4. It'll at least cover cost and commissions, worst case scenario. I got one TP up there at 89.25. Just don't feel like taking a loss right now. If I'm about to end the stream here relatively soon anyways, so no point to risk it, right? Okay, looks like we got one off there. We're locking a little bit more on this guy now. Put your come on, lazy buyers. Getting some momentum here. Let's go. Gonna bring my stop up here just below this candle. Grow up, NQ. Go, go, go. Yeah, listen to Angia here. Let's get all the way back up to the 712s. Let's go. Let's go. 708.12 equals plus 2 deviations. Okay. Thanks for that. Nice. Nice. Bring my stop up here to the 96 now. Locking a little bit more here as we're getting some more momentum. I'm going to go just below 700s now, 699.75. You're out? Nice, Angia. Great trade. Great trade. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Maybe it was a song. Hey, guys. Smart Money.
Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions.
You want 710?
Actually, it's mostly bad decisions.
We did have a buy volume ball there at 700s. 111 contracts were purchased at 700. Maybe I should give it one more tick here. 699.50.
Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says ATH tomorrow. Other guy says massive crash.
You're out to 390. Nice job, Greg. Beautiful.
Confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more.
Come on, NQ. Pop us up to the 710s. If we get up to 710, I'm going to put my stop sort of up in the 706 area. Come on. Squeeze out a little bit more out of this last micro.
Journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one can.
Previous VWAP level and current 2x is sitting at 710-ish with pennies off each other. Gotcha.
Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss. Never
1 minute left here on this candle.
Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet and they asleep.
It's gonna stop me out.
That's what everybody says.
Looks like it.
Just one more trade before they blow the
Hold the 700s here. I saw 699.75 there. Yeah, go to 710 right now. Just do it. Blast off.
And somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody
Okay, stopped out. All right. 65 bucks. Okay, whatever.
You still answer the phone.
Base hits, right? Base hits, guys.
Professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here.
Yeah, and on that note, I think it's a good time to you guys stopped out on the pullback too. Nice. Sounds like it's a good time to wrap up the stream there. We got a little base hit there at the end of the stream, so very good, very good. Small W stacking the base hits, you know. So let's do our little shout out here. We'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, guys. Hopefully we'll have a. Where is our POC? Hopefully we don't engage this POC before the market opens, because then we'll have an 80% setup, and that'll be my target. Just FYI. But yeah, Mark, let's oh wait, I didn't set my midnight open price candle yet. Here, where is this?
You probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade.
2100 candle right there. Okay,
Let me tell you a story.
there we go. Midnight open price has been set on the chart. This is probably going to go higher still. I think so. But yeah, thanks everybody. Come on, hang out tomorrow morning. Hey, thanks Raricious and Randy trades futures for the super chats tonight. I appreciate you guys. The gems and the tips. Appreciate it. Rirish, Randy trades futures, Real Hyper Reels, Angia, OCCC, Wrong Trade Jim, Lafta, Ryan Entourage, SF all day today. I don't know why I keep saying fall day today. SF all day today. Mick Riker, Mafia Bull, Plum Trader, FN Trades, Iconic Backpack, Greg P, VP Rixis, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Jane Bond, Christopher Wilson, Drastic Static, Lone Wolf, Rafael Cini, Clitoris, highly favored trader, Tajil, Chris, my dad, Mr. Stewart, Skeletor, Trader Steve, Cooleries, Hectron, Unitrade, Akazuka Perzi, Jerry Trades Futures, Born Hunting, Cam the Carnivore, Moonboy, Christine, Matthew Lai, Chizard, Wayne, Raj is up, Senior Mr. M, Force Fed, Just My Style, Rai Brilla, The Sports Connect, Jack Knapp, New York City, Hunting Pips, Agent Rogue, and Trina Banana. Top 50 chats. Sorry if I missed you. Just make sure you put in some more chats next time you get on the list. You know, get on the list, get on the shout out list. But yeah, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys. So make sure you tune in for tomorrow morning. And again, like I said, if you haven't already, head into the Discord, fill out the giveaway form for the Sunday race. And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out. Let's go make some money in the morning. All right, guys. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Love you. See you on the next stream. Woo! And suddenly, the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And honestly, it's probably the market butcher roll call. Yeah! Another Sunday in the books. Welcome, AD. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the butcher gang. If God is for you, who can be against you? 100%. Thanks, OCCC. See you all day today. Ahmed, have a good night. God bless you. I keep trading like I have lately. I may get a win rate like my cat. Clee Torres. Yeah, I know, right? And that you said I was dirty, eh? Yeah. Congrats there. Real Hyper Reels up 1,200. Beautiful, man. No, thank you, Christine. See you around, Chris. Hope to see you. Hello, AD. Welcome. Just got here, eh? Nice. Welcome. Hopefully I'll see you around some more. We'll be live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wayne says, good night, Roy. We had a similar trade-off, completely different indicators. Dave is a dip buying dog. I know. Thanks, Wayne. I like being called that. All right, Dad. Good night. Thanks, Greg. Yeah, sorry, EC, you got here a little bit late, bro. see you in the morning, or see you Thursday night. See you, Dr. Hamat. Good night. Thanks, everybody. Have a great one. Peace out. Bye-bye.